another video. We are doing Mother's Day projects. And today we have Mother's Day shirts. So step one is to design. Do it on the design space for Cricut, and you just select the different aspects that you want in your picture, and you put that all on design space all together, nice and neat, and choose what words you want. You gotta choose your font, and you gotta put that all in pen because we're gonna color that with the pen on the Cricut, which is step 2. To redo my mother-in-law's design. Gonna have to turn the Cricut on. That would be important. Perfect! Yeah, and we need to get some coloring done on First, we're going to iron the shirt so we don't have any wrinkles where we're putting on the infusible ink. Plus, you want the shirt to be warm when you're doing it, which you can do with just the heat press. You can probably also just iron it out with the heat press, but I figured I'd just iron it because I have my iron down here. Not the whole shirt is ironed, but that's okay. Alright, and I need some butcher paper to go over it too. We're just gonna leave that. You're supposed to use butcher paper, but I wonder if I could just use this paper, because why not? We're waiting for this to heat up. Alright, the Cricut heat press is heated up. You want to put this on. I gotta think of where I want it on the shirt. I think I want it up high. I'm thinking right here. It's like most of the way up the shirt. Maybe here. Yeah, okay. Alright. Make sure you're covering the whole thing. Alright, and we're gonna give it some time to cool down, and then we'll do the reveal. Alright, let's see the reveal. Let's see if the black actually came out black, or if it's gray. Who knows? It's gray. That's good to know, though. And that the cardboard trick does work. But that's cute. It's a cute shirt. super vibrant. Alright, time for the reveal. Woo! Woohoo! This is good. I thought I just burnt myself. Look at that. That's a pretty nice shirt right there. This one's different. We're using Cricut infusible ink sheets. And I've only tried to do this once and I didn't have a heat press then. So it's a new experience, but my black marker is not black enough. So hopefully I can do this right and make a nice shirt. So I know from the guide over here that we need to put this on the mat in a certain way. And I think I'm going to use this mat because the other two are not very sticky anymore. And this one, as you can see, is very sticky. So I'm just going to take this out. Alright, cool. We got it on there. Alright, after we've done that, maybe we should put this back in here. Now, you want to go to the Cricut Design app, load it up. The other ones aren't as grippy. Alright, so hopefully this comes out good. We gotta snip, snip, pull, pull. So since I was planning on using different ones, and I need to stop touching this because I'm getting black ink on shit. I have to wheedle it out instead of doing what I was going to do, which would have probably been easier. So we're just gonna take all of this out instead. Alright, I gotta warm this up again. I'm gonna place it right there. Alright, like that. We're gonna try it, guys. Hopefully this works. We're really hoping this works. I honestly don't know that works. Maybe we didn't leave it on long enough. That's what it says to do. It's not the desired effect. It's just not. Maybe I can do it again and it'll be okay. Alright, let's try this again. I don't know. It's going to be a hot mess now. Don't worry about me, just burning myself. I'm gonna apply some weight to it. Maybe that worked better. I'm gonna try to lift it again. Ooh. Okay, that came out much better this time. It really did. Okay. I don't know why not all of it really worked, but this look is cute. Yeah, it said use tweezers to do this part, and I'm like, oh, I can just pick it up with my fingers. It's actually kind of cool design. It's not what I thought it was gonna be, but that's alright. What'd you think? Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but still came out pretty cool. There you go. Thank you for watching my Mother's Day project. I really appreciate you guys watching me, and like, comment, and subscribing. Check you out 2 weeks later. Bye.